So guys, make sure to stay until the end, because if you make one common mistake, you may end up spending thousands of dollars on parts diagnostics that you may need. Make sure to stay until the end, we will explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be a super helpful video to any of you having a Dodge Challenger, the generation here from year 2014 to year 2024. If you need to find where the canister valve, fuses and relays are located, if you have problems code related to canister valve, always check these fuses and relays. In addition, if you need to buy replacement parts to use at a good price, we'll share the information in the video for your convenience, that way you do not waste money and time. So let's start on it now. So before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix transmissions, engines, bodywork, electrical components, fuses, relays. Why we do all that guys? Because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. We have guys more than 15,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can practically guys save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. And if you need to buy parts tools at a good price, quick shipping, we'll put the links in the description of the video below for your convenience. So guys, the canister valve, fuses and relays, where you can expect to find them, we will demonstrate on this generation Dodge Challenger right here. What we guys need to do now, we'll be working two different fuse boxes. The first one, we need to open the hood, and when you open the hood on the passenger side facing the engine, that's practically on your left side, you see it may be a V6, V8, it doesn't really matter. You have a fuse box, the main engine fuse box. These two tabs here, press them together and leave the cover up. Underneath you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse, sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. Any of you that want to see how to test canister valve on a car, we have videos on our YouTube channels that would guys teach you how to do that step by step. But today we'll need to check multiple fuses due to the fact that there is very limited information what they're for. But these fuses are known as engine management fuses and relays, and one of the functions of one of the fuses will be for the purge control valve and the canister valve. So if you come in that row of fuses here, if we zoom in, you need to check fuse 31, and then you need to check fuse 34, so 31, 34, 35 and 37. Check relay 63 here as well guys. Next, open the trunk. Here you need to lift the carpet liner up. Underneath you have a spare tire and a car battery on the passenger side. Behind the car battery is the trunk fuse box, that's a closer look of it. Here, push the tabs together and lift the cover up. You will find that layout. Here you need to check relay 29, and some models may have relay number 14 here that you will need to check on your Dodge Challenger as well. So guys, this Dodge Challenger has all kinds of different fuses and relays. Those could be really hard to find if you're in the middle of nowhere. We'll guys put a link in the description of the video below where you can get some spare ones put in the glove box, because one time we needed a spare, we couldn't find one and we were stuck in the middle of nowhere because of that guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.